Hello friends, today in this short video series we are going to discuss about the GD&T. GD&T is one of the most effective technique used into the engineering worlds. However, it is applicable into the many segments. Uh, for understanding GD&T more simply, this brief video will help you. As shown in this picture, you might have seen this burger. So if you see the giants who are operating globally for burger, they have very standardized process, and the tests what you find all over the world for a same type of a burger may not differ much, though they will do some kind of a localization. However, the much of the test, the sauce or the bread remains the same. So how they do it, it is all depend on the standardization. So the standardization in a similar way, the standardization of assembly all over the globe can help you to maintain the quality, and that is what exactly the GD&T do. So let's start. Okay. So what is GD&T? GD&T stands for geometrical dimensioning and tolerancing. Okay, and it is represented by the set of the symbols which are defined by the standard, and they are put into the drawing so that one can understand how much is the allowable tolerances, and what is the relationship between the different features of the part being manufactured. Okay, so why it is happened? Because the actual drawing or the and requirements and the part measurement quality differs because of the limitations of the different manufacturing processes. So if you think in a one company, if you have a different processes, the variations happen. So if we repeat this part all over the globe, the variations can be unlimited. So we need some controlling mechanism, and that is what the GD&T offers us. So it's important to confirm the allowances of each part to get the even quality of final assembly. That is important. That is what we get it through GD&T, and it is governed by the ASME Y 14.5. Okay, so there are the different symbols which are defined by the ASME 14.5. There are total 14 symbols, depend on how the application is. It's type of the form or orientation, location, runout, or the or concentricity, symmetricity, such kind of a different symbols they will use. So total 14 symbols are there. Okay, how they are applied into the drawing now. Representation of a drawing, if you see, particularly if you see this particular thing, it is called as a GD&T reference, or this is the representation, or this is the representation. These A and B are nothing but the datums, and this is the representation of a tolerance for this particular hole. How it is positions with respect to the A and B surfaces. In this figure, if you see, with respect to the datum A, how the angle is being toleranced. Okay, so how much angle have a tolerance, that is shown. Then in this particular figure, if you see how the parallelism of this hole with respect to this hole, it is mentioned using the 0.3 mm. Okay, so generally it is in mm. How the drawing units are, it is into the same units. Okay, now if you see in this figure, how the runout is being measured. Runout is nothing but we say normally into the out. How the out, the particular feature, or the feature is nothing but this particular shape or the projected portion with respect to the this cylinder. So how it is measured, just see into this image. It is being measured using the dial gauge. So if you and this is measuring the total runout. Total runout means runout over the surface, over the line. Okay, it is not on the one place but over the line. So it is, this is symbol is for a one place runout, this is a symbol for a total runout. So it is measured using the dial gauge. Now what are the equipments we use generally for measuring the GD&T? GD&T is being measured by using the simple like the V block or the height gauge. We also have equipments we need is a dial gauge to as I shown you in the last slide. Then we need surface plate to have a equal surface or even surface, and in a particular cases we also need a CMM, which is the most sophisticated equipment for the GD&T measurement. CMM is nothing but the coordinate measuring machine. Okay, so just see the examples. how they are being measured. If you see the investment versus the quality, we may need to do some kind of investment for the GD&T. However, the quality of the part will go on improving, and that is why you will reduce on the wastages, you will reduce on the time needed to assemble, because you will get only the good parts, and that is why your cost will go down and the profits will go up. So the investment is nothing but profitable in the long. So what are the benefits? It improves the design clarity, how the design will understand by others. Then it reduces the quality issues. It will provide you a standardization. If you provide this drawing to the all over the globe, you will find the same quality of the part, and you can assemble it any part to the any assembly locations. Okay, it will provide you a cost saving through the quality improvement, reduces the burden on the tough quality requirement. So exactly we need how much is the quality needed. Okay, it increase the productions, it improve the part and quality and assembly issue, and reduces the reduction, and it provides the work satisfaction to the person who is doing this. Okay, so this is just a brief about GD&T. If you need any more detailed training on GD&T, we are always available. Please contact us. Thank you very much.